Well, hello everyone. The camera's not gonna fit. How are you doing? My name is Barbara, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build a shelf in your minivan. And how am I going to do this? Well, let me talk to you about this. So, I didn't know the camera was up so low. Anyhow, in my minivan I have a bin that I built, and I'm going to show you in this video how I'm going to build the bin right there. So I'd like to give you some advice. So how are you going to do this in this little van? Well, how am I going to do this? Well, I'm going to do this in little increments. Okay, you're the boss. Okay. Hey, what are you guys doing out there? Come inside, it's cold out there. Really, how's she gonna do that? I don't know. It doesn't make sense.